Welcome to Operators. Perform calculations and comparisons quickly. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Without operators, you'd manually compute every math operation and comparison in code. How do we perform calculations and comparisons? Manual calculations are slow. Code becomes repetitive, hard to compare values. Operators simplify math and logic by handling calculations and comparisons automatically. How is operators used in the real world? Math calculations. Perform arithmetic operations, condition checks, compare values in if statements, variable assignment, set or update variable values. Operators powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without operators? Manually calculating basic math without operators. Look at how messy the code gets. Manual calculations, error-prone. Hard to modify expressions, not reusable for other values. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. Operators. Look how clean the code is now. Perform calculations quickly, simplify complex expressions, reduce code verbosity, compare the difference. And that is why we use operators. Let's see how to implement operators in code. Here is the implementation. Declare variables. Initialize two integers. Addition operator. Add two numbers. Subtraction operator. Subtract two numbers. Multiplication oper. Multiply two numbers. Division operator. Divide two numbers. Modulus operator. Get remainder of division. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What does the plus operator do with strings? Which one is correct? The correct answer is plus concatenates strings, joining them together. What is the result of 10% 3? Which one is correct? The correct answer is percent is modulus operator, gives remainder of division. What's the value of x after x plus plus if x equals 5? Which one is correct? The correct answer is x plus increments x by 1, so 5 becomes 6. Which one is correct? The correct answer is and operator returns false if any operand is false. Here is a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. Subscribe for more programming tutorials.